Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mahjong for beginners. First, understand the game's objective. Be the first to form a winning hand of 4 sets and 1 pair. We'll cover the different types of tiles, how to set up the game, and the basic rules for drawing and discarding. Learning Mahjong is a rewarding experience, combining skill, strategy, and a bit of luck. Let's get started on your journey to becoming a Mahjong master. Setting up Mahjong is straightforward once you know the steps. First, shuffle all 144 tiles face down. Each of the 4 players then builds a wall of 18 tiles long and 2 tiles high. Next, determine the dealer, often by rolling dice. The dealer breaks a section of their wall, and tiles are dealt clockwise until each player has 13 tiles. The dealer will have 14 tiles to start, discarding 1 to begin play. Gameplay revolves around drawing and discarding tiles to form melds. On your turn, you draw a tile from the wall and then discard 1 from your hand. The goal is to create 4 sets and 1 pair. Sets can be a pung of 3 identical tiles, a kong of 4 identical tiles, or a chow of 3 consecutive tiles of the same suit. You can call for a discarded tile to complete a pung, kong, or chow, but this exposes your meld. To win, you must declare Mahjong when you complete your 4 melds and 1 pair. There are also special hands like 7 pairs or 13 orphans, which have different winning requirements. Pay attention to what other players are discarding to anticipate their hands and avoid giving them winning tiles. Mastering Mahjong takes practice, so don't be discouraged by initial losses. Keep playing, observe, and refine your strategy. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.